Question 9 is 3 marks. The question shows some triangle and the question asks you to find the length of QR. QR is this side here. Let's just call it X for now. That's good. Then obviously this is SOHCAHTOA, isn't it? Yeah. So we look at all these 3 sides from the perspective of the angle. From the perspective of 24, this is exactly opposite to 24. So this is opposite. And QR here is part of the angle itself. So this is adjacent. And that side is hypotenuse because it's opposite to the right angle. Now, they didn't ask us to find the hypotenuse. And they didn't give us the hypotenuse, so we don't care about it. Now, SOHCAHTOA. Which one of these 3 has O and A? It's this one. So let's write the triangle down here. Tan comes here, opposite comes there, adjacent comes there. Now, what's the value of the opposite? The opposite is 6.5, so I'll write 6.5 up here. What's the adjacent? The adjacent is X, we are looking for it. So I'll just write X. And tan, I'll just write tan, the angle. So it's tan 24. Now how do you find X using this nice triangle? To find X, cover X with your finger. And this is a division here. So X equals 6.5 divided by tan 24. That's it. Just plug this in your calculator and it gives you a very big number. Since the question says to 3 significant figures, it's going to be 14.6. We round up. That's your 3 marks. You get it? You see how I solved the question? Relaxed. Don't panic. You can do it.